English Norwegian past tense. I had.
Jeg hadde.
Welcome. Hey, it's Synapse Lingo. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. For more resources, visit www.synapse-lingo.com. Ready to have had some fun? Let's go. Today you'll nail the Norwegian past tense of to have, so you can tell stories like a pro. Yesterday you had time, keys, snacks, even superpowers, okay, coffee. Your goal today. By the end, you'll say every form of had smoothly and confidently. Say them out loud with me. I had equals.
Jeg hadde.
You had, singular, equals.
Du hadde.
He had equals.
Han hadde.
She had equals.
Hun hadde.
It had equals.
Det hadde.
We had equals.
Vi hadde.
You had, plural, equals.
Dere hadde.
They had equals.
De hadde.
Mini dialogues. Listen, repeat, and smile. Micro stories make grammar stick. A. Did you find your bike? Yesterday, I had one too. B. Nice, yesterday I say, I had a red one.
Jeg hadde.
N-rod cycle. A. Where were the keys? B. You had them.
Du hadde.
No clean, not me. A. Did he bring the book? B. Yes, he had it.
Han hadde.
Den I gar. A. What about your sister? B. She had the best idea.
Hun hadde.
Den beste ideen. A. And the old printer? B. It had a strange sound.
Det hadde.
En merkelig lyd. A. The picnic was great. B. We had perfect weather.
Vi hadde.
Perfect vær. Coach. Team, you had so many chances.
Dere hadde.
Mange chancer. Reporter. By half-time, they had the lead.
De hadde.
Ledelson. Rhythm and drill. Clap the beat and echo me for a sticky memory boost. Echo. I had.
Jeg hadde.
Clap. Echo. You had. Sing.
Du hadde.
Snap. Echo. He had.
Han hadde.
Clap. Echo. She had.
Hun hadde.
Snap. Echo. It had.
Det hadde.
Clap. Echo. We had.
Vi hadde.
Snap. Echo. You had, plural.
Dere hadde.
Clap. Echo. They had.
De hadde.
Big clap. Speed round.
Jeg hadde. Du hadde. Han hadde. Hun hadde. Det hadde. Vi hadde. Dere hadde. De hadde.
Culture tip. A little culture makes the language warmer and funnier. After a cozy cabin weekend, Norwegians often say, we had it cozy.
Vi hadde det koselig.
Steal that phrase for any wholesome, comfy memory. Lightning quiz. Answer fast, then I'll confirm. Ready? Translate. We had no time. Answer.
Vi hadde.
Ikke tid. Translate. You had, plural, the tickets. Answer.
Dere hadde.
Billetin. Translate. He had a plan. Answer.
Han hadde.
En plan. Translate. She had the keys yesterday. Answer.
Hun hadde.
No clean I gar. Translate. They had a small house. Answer.
De hadde.
Et light hus. Translate. It had a weird sound. Answer.
Det hadde.
En merkelig lyd. Translate. I had a question. Answer.
Jeg hadde.
Et spørsmål. Translate. You had, sing, the map. Answer.
Du hadde.
Kartet. Challenge. Your turn. Craft quick lines about yesterday. Keep it punchy. Make 3 sentences about yesterday using
Jeg hadde, vi hadde,
and.
de hadde.
Now switch to people around you. One with.
Du hadde,
One with.
dere hadde.
Add an object or time word like yesterday. Level up. Mix feelings and events, e.g., she had the idea, we had the energy, they had the snacks.
Hun hadde,
Ideen.
vi hadde,
Energene.
de hadde.
Snacksin. Wrap up. Nice work, your past tense toolbox is loaded. Thanks for listening. Keep practicing the 8 forms.
Jeg hadde, du hadde, han hadde, hun hadde, det hadde, vi hadde, dere hadde, de hadde.
Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more bite-sized lessons, and come back tomorrow, so you can say, I had another great session.
Jeg hadde.
NNY, super oct.